Alright guys, so it's day 4, right? Technically 3, but day 4, but because we missed.
Today is the third day.
Yeah, it's actually the 3rd day. So it's day 3 in Hawaii, Maui, and then we are starting our day with our lunch at Hula Grill. And we ordered some food. Let the food come, I'll show you guys. And then we have a fun day planned today, so let's go along with us. Lemonade's for drink. And how's the lemonade? Good. Freshly squeezed is so good. Very good. Here it has what kind of sauce? I forgot. But yeah. What? Do you like it? Did you try it? What? Is it good? No. But you're eating it. Yummy. I told you. Oh, look at that.
I already told you. We had that conference call with them. We told them.
What? Oh, this is mustard sauce? Oh man. And I did so much.
Very different than the wrap.
Mustard sauce is so strong, but this is good.
It's really good.
Is here I ordered the spicy fish with the black bean salsa and all that stuff, and then he has chicken tenders with strawberries, and he has a burger. Wow.
You try yours, Dad.
Take a bite. Doing well here?
Very good.
Yeah.
Wow, the fish is good spicy and so flavorful.
Already try yours?
How's yours?
Very good.
Very good? Good. How's your burger?
Also
We are here at the baby goat, surfing goat dairy. And then this is like their entrance. Yes, baby?
said it's a baby goat farm.
Okay, baby goat farm.
Take a slight right turn, then take the first right.
Babies. So they have made baby goat
This is how
houses.
it is. And they even do like goat
Turn
cheese
right,
tasting.
then arrive at your
They
destination.
don't sleep outside. They sleep in their baby houses. And they have 10 houses.
Listen to this.
Friend here. She's called Lumatcha. And the Lumatchas are my favorite because they're like the naughty ones in the group. They like to escape pasture, break the deer. You want to guess how many babies we've had so far this year? 20, a little bit more than that. We've made it up to 88 so far. And we're less than halfway through our kitty. Do it. See? But you can see some of them are girls, some of them are boys. The girls are the ones with the pink collars, the boys have the blue collars.
They look so cute. That's trying to pet them.
Because today they just got their vaccines. So each color marks for a different vaccine, but today they got vaccinated.
Yeah, tell me. It likes eating food. Wait, what about it? We forgot the milk.
They're like, maybe that's something I could eat.
Oh my god.
Got it.
Here we are tasting some goat cheese.
Yeah.
With a view like this.
Taste it.
Horses, goats, acres of farm.
Alright, we got a fresh cheese flight. All the cheese made from goat milk. And these are all the names. Sounds very delicious.
Yeah.
So, and they also gave us some crackers, so let's try.
These are not so yummy.
Okay, this one is Ivory Coast.
Taste it. Not that. This one.
This one is Rolling Green. Very good.
Let's try Ivory Coast.
That is a very big bite.
This one, third one is Somio, sun-dried tomatoes. Then we have horseradish and cayenne pepper. Very good. Then we have jalapeno, artichoke, cilantro, and lime.
Let's try that. It's so
This is
delicious.
very good. You want to try it?
No.
And last is fresh garden herbs.
No, I said that.
Men's challenge.
Huh?
Men's challenge.
Alright, the goat farm was a hit. It was such a nice time spent there. Like 30 minutes just flew by, and then we spent some time eating the fresh cheese and goat cheese. All good, very good. Now we're gonna go to a place, a very famous place called Ululani. Ululani shaved ice. Very famous here because it has a lot of topping and all the amazing kind of toppings, not just syrups. So let's go there.
Yeah.
We're in the line to get the shaved ice. It was a huge line, like started all the way from there. Now we're halfway, and I'm very excited. The menu. This is the name, and that's the menu. How is it? Yummy. Yummy. Alright, for Aiden we got the mango shaved ice, and for myself I got vanilla ice, coconut ice cream in the bottom, then coconut shaved ice with condensed milk, toasted coconut, and mochi. Oh my god. I have never tried
That was
better
yours.
shaved ice than this.
That was yours.
Maybe I'm gonna just share with you guys. All the fuss is about.
It's so delicious.
Try with mochi.
I think every time I come to Maui, this is one place I'm not missing.
Very, very good. Right, now we're going back to the hotel so we can go have fun in the pool. But let me tell you, this was the best shaved ice I have ever eaten, and I don't think I'm gonna get this good anywhere else. So like, this was the best. So good. Highly recommend. If you come to Maui, you have to try Ululani
Proceed to South
shaved
Bouquet
ice.
Road.